Hello everyone and welcome to my Udemy course. This Udemy course is about CPA marketing, and you're probably asking, who am I? Well, I'm Beck and I use CPA marketing on a daily basis to make quite good money, and I don't work as often as you might think. But first, what is CPA marketing? Well, CPA marketing stands for cost per action if you didn't already know. But if you take this course, you'll learn what CPA marketing is, how to pick an offer, how you can make income from it, how you can work from home, and a case study on how I almost made $5,000 from 1 week and a $30 investment. But look, I'm not promising you these same results. My results were out of the ordinary, okay? You probably won't even get anywhere near my results. But what I will promise is there's something in this course that you have not been taught before and something that you don't know, okay? And again, Udemy cover it by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're all safe on that end, guys. But trust me, you won't want to refund this course. The amount of value you're getting for the price, it's absolutely amazing. It's packed with 2.5 hours nearly of video.